Good evening everyone and welcome to Bangalore at 6. I'm Ruchita and this is Shreya and today's headlines are Bumpy roads ahead. The speed break Bumpy roads ahead. The speed breakers on Mysore Road are not built according to the guidelines issued by the Indian Road Congress. Tamish brings us the story.
The speed breakers on Mysore Highway are not built according to the Indian Road Congress guidelines. The reflectors on the speed breakers don't work and the zebra crossing is also not visible.
In Mysore Road and I keep riding my bike and there's a lot of trouble riding in the night.
The traffic police believe that there is a need of a combination of all the possible measures that can be taken.
ಹೌದು ಸೈನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಿಗೆ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಮೈಂಡಿಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಗಮವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಕು ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
The civil engineer is aware that there are scientific and unscientific bumps on Mysore Road.
अभी एक्सीडेंट तो पक्का होता है इधर. अभी इसका कोई जिम्मेदार भी नहीं है इधर. अभी कब होता है, कैसा होता है? रात में तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता, महीने में नहीं बोला तो 6 या 7 होता पक्का.
KRDCL is responsible for all the speed breakers on the Mysore Road and they are not giving proper reason for not repairing it.
Speed breakers, it will be regularly painted. If the painting has not gone, I will remind and get it done within 2-3 days. Due to rainy season, they have not maintained a thing. We will get it done immediately.
Just because there is no proper indication for these speed breakers, the commuters find it very difficult to locate them in the night. This is Tamish Bedi from IIJNM.
The residents living in Pottery Town suffer losses due to rains, reports Nidhi.
It's every year's problem that during rainy season, water gets inside every house of pot makers in Pottery Town. Due to this, pot makers incur a huge loss in their business.
रैनी सीजन आता ना, उस टाइम 3-4 टाइम अंदर घुस जाता. प्रॉब्लम ये अंदर जाए तो ये सब भी मट्टी हो जाता. BBM को कंप्लेंट करिया अपने क्या भी करिया नहीं, क्या वो नुकसान भी क्या भी दिया नहीं.
पानी अंदर घुस गया तो बहुत गणेश सब भी रखता ना, वो गणेश सब भी चले गया. और दिवाली के टाइम में दीवा सब भी चले जाता है. व्यापारी नहीं होता, कहीं जब पानी घुस गया तो कोई भी नहीं आ सकता इधर. नदी का जैसा हो जाता है इधर. बहुत लॉस होता है, बहुत लॉस पूरा आदमी का.
This year, every shop has incurred a loss of more than 50% in their business.
पूरा पानी आ रहा था, काम नहीं होता. 1000 आइटम.
And BBMP senior engineer said it will take few more years to solve the problem.
Yes, stormwater problem is a big problem in our ward number 61. In rainy season, they will clogging in many culvert sides. In that time, we will take measures to clear the clogging problems. So we are on the process to solve the problems, and within 1 or 2 years, problems will be solved. We are on the process. They have to wait for some time for solve the problems.
Pottery Town people have no other way than to wait and incur loss in few more coming years.
This is Nidhi Gupta reporting for IIJNM.
Children from government schools on Mysore Road are not getting proper midday meals, reports Ruchita.
Government schools on Mysore Road are not providing the midday students every day.
Children have a high chance of falling ill due to the irregular distribution of meals. When spoke to the grandfather of one of the students deprived of meals, he said, according to the midday meal scheme, the government schools are supposed to give lunch to the students, which is clean, and a glass of milk.
What the products they bring, it will not be in a good condition, not of high quality. All the food what they prepare will be in the low quality. Then what they put oil and all, it will be in low quality. Then even the water, it will not be in purified way. From that only reason, many government children, they all get like what, stomach pain, some vomiting sensation. Even their health also will be in not a good condition.
Doctor says, and I quote, yes, the children suffer from stomach pains and food poisoning because of the improper food served in their schools.
Children in the government schools are not getting the afternoon meals regularly. This is Ruchita from IGNM Bangalore.
The hearing of the case against issuing parts of Lal Bagh for the metro has been postponed.
The lingering Lal Bagh case lodged by the environmentalist is in the updates now. The hearing was supposed to be held today at Bangalore High Court, but it is delayed till Thursday, 18 November.
Coming after a short break is...
The story of Michael Raja's murder is yet to reveal more mysteries.
I have to say this, read the script. Welcome back.
The Karnataka State Pollution Control Board recommended that cleaner technology should be used by sponge iron plants in the state. Currently, there are no proper siting guidelines for the sponge industry plants. One of the key suggestions is to have a 15-meter green belt surrounding the industry to absorb the pollutants.
Though these industries are location specific and mostly being established near to the availability of raw materials, there are handfuls of industries which are established away from the mine area and are causing serious air pollution problems in the transit. Eminent resource persons who have come from different parts of the country, including Orissa, then Bengal, and CPCB, Mekong and all that, they will be able to enlighten you about the way you should go about and all that.
The murderers of Michael Raja are absconding, reports our reporter Shushmita.
Of Michael Raja's murder going on since 2 days. Bangalore police is doing investigation of this case.
Case we are investigating, we are in search of accused and we are investigating the case. After investigation is over, we will inform them.
According to Raja's family members, there are many suspects who might be involved in the murder.
One of the suspects is the group whose one member was killed by Michael Raja's brother.
Murder was conducted out of rivalry.
इनके भाई जो था ना, उसका कुछ लफड़ा चल रहा था इधर। वो अभी जेल में, उसको मारने के बजाय उसका भाई को मार गया, उतना ही।
Raja had two daughters who are in 7th and 9th standard and one younger son.
The election awareness conducted by Janagraha in Shantinagar.
For the first time in India, a pilot project is being conducted by Janagraha in association with the Election Commission of India to clean up inaccuracies in voter lists in urban areas. The aim is to cover the Shantinagar Assembly constituency, consisting of 7 wards, and help ensure that the citizens come out and vote. The project will be finished by January. If approved by the ECI, this project will be applied to urban areas in the whole of India.
Now we'll slip into a short break.
The residents of EWS slums are suffering from diseases due to drain water.
It takes 8,460 volts to assemble an automobile and 1 nut to scatter it all over the road.
Welcome back after the break. The residents of EWS slums are suffering from diseases due to the open drains.
Anthony is a resident of EWS quarters. She is a homemaker Few days back, her son fell into an open drain and got a high fever. Though the residents are continuously complaining to BBMP, but they themselves are contributing to make the drains dirtier.
To address this problem on an immediate scale. We do it as and when possible, but it would be foolhardy to expect somebody to get their drains cleaned every week. It's just not happening.
Amla, the union leader of the slum, puts light on the issues briefly.
सैनिटरी प्रॉब्लम में पानी जाने तकलीफ है यहाँ से बाहर है बारिश आया तो पूरा भर जाता मच्छर है उससे मलेरिया चिकनगुनिया टाइफाइड ये सब कुछ आता है.
Yes, the people in EWS quarters are facing a lot of problems because of the sewage. They say there's a lack of participation by BBMP, but they should also take some precautions to keep the slum clean. This is Tamish Bedi from IIJN.
Thomas Cook has launched its first branch in South Bangalore today.
A press conference was held by the Thomas Cook and Company on the inauguration of their leisure travel store. The Thomas Cook Gold Circle partner Uday Singh briefed the media.
Jayanagar was lacking quality products, quality services. Everybody had to run to North Bangalore. So now we decided we bring in facilities to South Bangalore.
When asked what was the effect of Nepal crisis on his company,
Human is always scared of going to places where it is disturbed. I had a slight marginal, business. That's it. It's a graph which goes up and down.
This is Anisha Nair reporting for IIJNM.
Now we're moving on to the Sensex reports.
The BSE Sensex gained 153 points and reached 0.76% higher at 20,309.69. Nifty also gained 49.95 points at 6,121.6.
Now, moving ahead to the weather report.
Good evening. Today's weather report. Today's maximum temperature is 20 degrees centigrade and the minimum temperature is 26 degrees.
That's all from us from this evening. For further details, please log on to our website www.iijm.org. Thank you and have a great evening.